Would you believe this amazing looking salmon meal with vegetables and potatoes is made in one pan in an air fryer in under 15 minutes? And if this catches your attention, keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Healthy Eats with Priya, where healthy meets deliciousness. Now we all have those days when we are either tired, busy, or let's be honest, plain lazy that we don't want to make an elaborate meal but still want to eat healthy. So I'm bringing to you a one-pan air fryer meal ready in under 15 minutes. Yes, 15 minutes. And for today's video, I'm going to be making salmon with assorted veggies and potatoes made in one pan in an air fryer. Let's jump right into the recipe. Alright, so for the ingredients, I'm going to be using the salmon fillet. I'm going to be using a bell pepper. You can use any vegetables. And for carbs, I'm going to be using potatoes. I think potatoes is one vegetable which gets such a bad reputation. We think it's starchy, it's full of fat, but actually they're a really good source of healthy fats. Plus they satiate you. So I highly recommend potatoes. And then I'm going to be using a bunch of spices and a little bit of olive oil. So guys, let's start making our dish. I'm cutting the salmon in cubes. I actually love making the salmon in air fryer as opposed to like oven, because it kind of like gives it that almost like a fried texture, which we all love. And even my daughter, she loves it. She's such a picky eater, but she loves this dish. And then literally I'm going to be cutting the potatoes in two halves and mixing it with the salmon. Super easy. I told you, it's super easy. I'm delivering. And then after the potatoes are in this pan, let me cut this bell pepper and throw it right in the. And again guys, for this video I'm using a bell pepper. You can use any vegetables, zucchini, even like more vegetables, whatever you want. See guys, the purpose of my video is to show and demonstrate that how easy it is to throw in a meal which is good for your body, good for your family, and like literally doesn't take any of your time. Here goes a little oil and then all the spices in there. Salt, black pepper, garlic powder, coriander, brown ginger, cayenne pepper. If you guys have been following my videos, you know I can eat super spicy. In fact, put me in a spicy eating contest and I think I'm going to win. Chili pepper and then some curry powder. And it's not a surprise that lemon goes really well with salmon. So I'm going to be like squeezing half a lemon in this mixture. I think lemon just makes everything come together, and I actually love the tangy taste. I love it. Now give this a good mix so everything ties in together. It's as easy as this. You see that? Like under 2 minutes I put this together. Now let me get my air fryer pan. Alright, let's put this in the air fryer. Let's line the air fryer and spread this right in the air fryer. And guys, one pro tip, you want to like spread your ingredients in an air fryer so everything is cooked properly. So I may cook this in 2 batches. So you see how I've spaced this so evenly? Let's put it in the air fryer. Alright everyone, I've put the salmon for about 10 minutes and in 10 minutes our meal will be ready. Super excited. So we have about 30 seconds remaining and I was like, let me talk to you guys before the food is ready. Like I'm a mom, I'm a busy professional, and to me like these kind of meals are so helpful because it helps me keep my fitness goals. It helps me feed healthy food for my daughter and my family, and also I don't have to like really struggle and spend hours in the kitchen. So if you try this recipe, definitely leave your comments below on how it turned out for you. I would absolutely love to hear from you guys. Wow! Yummy dinner is ready. Oh my god. Alright, let me pour it in the bowl and let me do the tasting. Alright, so we have come to the best part of the video, which is the tasting part. Let me start with the salmon. Perfectly cooked, and oh my god, so delicious, so full of flavor because of the spices. I can actually taste the lemon in there. And now I'm going to bite into potatoes and some bell peppers. I love the sweetness of yellow bell pepper with the spiciness of the spices that we've used. And the potatoes, when they are air fryered, they just satiate you to another level. Aha. I'm super happy, guys, how it turned out. And that too, under 15 minutes. I'm sold. I don't know about you guys. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel to see more healthy, quick recipes. Also, everyone, as you know, my channel is relatively very new. So I would like to hear from you guys on what more content you want to see in my channel. Do you want to see more lifestyle related content? Do you want to see vlogs, where I actually show you live kitchen, truly how I cook, because fun fact about me, I actually cook really, really fast. Or you just want to see and hear about mindset and nutrition and how me as a busy mom, as a professional, really try and have that discipline in my life, to eat healthy and live healthy. So yeah, I would absolutely like to hear from you. So do leave your comments below. I would absolutely love to hear from you, and I will come back with another video. Bye.